Hello, today's topic? At the dentist.
Welcome to the dentist's office.
Thank you. I'm here for a check-up.
Of course. When was your last visit?
It was about 6 months ago.
All right. Let's get started, shall we?
Sure, I'm a bit nervous though.
Don't worry, everything will be fine. Do you floss regularly?
Yes, I try to floss every day.
Good job. Now, open wide, please.
Ah, that's cold. Is my teeth okay?
Yes, your teeth look healthy overall.
That's a relief. What about cavities?
I don't see any cavities today.
Phew, that's good news. What's next?
Next, we'll do a cleaning. It won't hurt.
Okay, I trust you. How long will it take?
It should only take about 20 minutes.
All right, let's get it over with.
Great. Sit back and relax, please.
Okay. Can I listen to music during?
Sure, feel free to listen to music.
Thank you. It helps me relax.
No problem. We're all done now.
Already? That was quick.
Yes, everything looks great. See you in 6 months.
Thank you, doctor. Have a good day.
You too. Take care.
Vocabulary.
Dentist. Visit. Nervous. Worry. Floss. Open. Teeth. Healthy. Overall. Cavities. Cleaning. Hurt. Trust. Long. Quick. Music. Relax. Problem. Doctor. Care.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos.